How to get $50 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Shein promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Shein, so go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. You can head towards this coupon section. With that, you're gonna get all the coupons, $35 off, 20% off, 10% off, and many more. You can just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the deal and want to use it, all you have to do is click on this option of view coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Shein, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of view discount at Shein. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section for promo code. Over there, paste the copied code, and with that, you will be good to go. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you tons of promo codes for Shein. Well, this is how you can get up to $50 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.